Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss the part 14 of the NEET quiz important questions, and today our topic is the general neuroanatomy. So first try to answer the questions by yourself first. Now the homeostasis of the body is maintained by which system? So it is maintained by the endocrine and the nervous system. How many pairs of the cranial nerves are there? So there are 12 pairs of cranial nerve. How many pairs of dorsal root ganglia are there? So there are 31 pairs of the dorsal root ganglia. Are all cranial nerves associated with the ganglias? So no. How many cranial nerve or nerves are attached to the dorsal aspect of the brain? So only one cranial nerve is attached to the dorsal aspect of the brain, and it is the cranial number 4, that is a trochlear nerve. Okay. Now nervous tissue consists of neurons and their processes, neuroglia and the blood vessels. The Schwann cells are derived from neural crest. Schwann cells helps in, or we can see what are the functions of the Schwann cells. So they helps in the regeneration of the nerve fibers. Schwann cells are present in which system? So they are present in the peripheral nervous system or the PNS only, not in the CNS, only in the PNS. Now, what is the difference between ganglia and the nuclei? Many students have confusion between this, right? What is the difference between ganglia and the nuclei? What is the difference between nerve and the tract? So, over here, ganglia is the collection of the neuron cell body in the peripheral nervous system. Okay. While the collection of the neuron cell body in the central nervous system, it is the nuclei. Okay. So, ganglia is the collection of the neuron cell body in the PNS, while the nuclei is the collection of the neuron cell body in the CNS. Okay. And what is the difference between nerve and the tract? So, tract is the collection of the axon in the CNS. Okay. While the nerve is a collection of the axon in the PNS. Okay. Now, which type of neuroglial cell secrete the growth stimulant? So, astrocytes. Which type of neuroglial cells are metabolic neurotransmitters? So they are the astrocytes. Which type of neuroglial cells forms the blood-brain barrier? So astrocytes. Which type of neuroglial cells are found in the central nervous system? So astrocytes, microglia, ependymal cells and the oligodendrocytes. These cells are present, or we can say neuroglial cells are found in the CNS. Now which type of neuroglial cells are found in the PNS? Satellite cells and the Schwann cells. The nerve cell unable to propagate impulse, it is which cell? So it is the neuroglial cells. Okay, they basically, the main function of the neuroglia, okay, is basically supporting the particular neurons. Okay, so the nerve cell, it is a neuroglia is a nerve cell, okay, which is not having the function to propagate the impulse, but it actually supports the neurons. Oligodendrocytes develops from neural crest. What is the function of the oligodendrocyte? They basically produce the myelin sheet in the CNS. What is the origin of the macroglial cell? Mesodermal in origin. Function of the macroglial cell. So they basically causes the phagocytic activity. Okay, so they have the phagocytic activity in the central nervous system. Macroglial cells are highly active in which state? In the degenerative state or degenerative disorder of the CNS. Even they are active in the multiple sclerosis, Alzheimer's disease and the Parkinson disease. What is the function of the Schwann cells? So they basically produce the myelin sheet and its regeneration in the PNS. What is the function of the satellite cells? So they basically provide the nutrition and they also insulate and support the neurons in the ganglion. Satellite cells surrounds what? They surrounds the spinal and the autonomic ganglion. What are the nasal granules or the nasal substance? They are the aggregates of the rough endoplasmic reticulum. What is the nature of the nasal substance or the nasal granules? They are acidic in nature. Does dendrites and axon contains the nasal granules? So dendrites basically contains the nasal substance or the nasal granules, while the axon lacks nasal granules. Which type of neurons are seen in the dorsal nerve root ganglion? So they are pseudo-unipolar or the unipolar. Spiral ganglion of the vestibular nerve, retina, olfactory, neuroepithelium have which type of neurons? So they have bipolar neurons. Mesencephalic nucleus of the trigeminal nerve, dorsal root ganglia of the spinal nerve, sensory ganglion of the cranial nerve have which type of neurons? So they have pseudo-unipolar neurons. What are anaxonic neurons? So these neurons do not have axons, they have only dendritic processes and they are seen in the amacrine cell of the retina. Now what is the length of the axon in the Golgi type 1 neurons? So they are comparatively longer, and the length of the axon in the Golgi type 2 neurons, they are shorter. Which Golgi type neuron is inhibitory in nature? So the Golgi type 2 neuron are inhibitory in nature. Golgi type 1 neuron is seen in the pyramidal tracts and the spinal motor neurons, and also in the Purkinje cells. Golgi type 2 neurons are seen in cerebellar cortex, stellate cells and the granule cells. Most common cells producing the tumors in the brain, they are the glial cells. Unmyelinated nerve fibers are covered by which cell sheet? So they are covered by Schwann cell sheet. Myelin sheet is made up of lipoprotein myelin. In CNS and PNS, myelin sheet is basically formed by, so remember in the CNS, this myelin sheet is formed by the oligodendrocytes, while in the PNS, it is formed by the Schwann cells. Name the demyelinating disorder. So, multiple sclerosis, Guillain-Barré disorder or the Guillain-Barré syndrome and the Tay-Sachs disease. Which heavy metals may be a cause of the demyelinating disorders? So, it may be mercury, lead or the arsenic. Infection that may cause damage to the myelin sheet is diphtheria. Conduction velocity of the nerve fiber increases on which climate? So it basically increases on warm climate. What are the features of the type A fibers? They are myelinated and have large diameter. They are motor neurons and the conduction velocity of them is more than 15 to 20 meters per second. What are the features of the type B fibers? So they are myelinated fibers and have medium diameter. They are preganglionic autonomic fibers and the conduction velocity of them is about 3 to 15 meters per second. What are the features of the type C fibers? So they are unmyelinated and they have small diameter. They are post-ganglionic autonomic fibers and even their pain temperature mechanoreceptors. The conduction velocity of type C fibers is about 0.5 to 2 meters per second. So today up till here, we will discuss about the further important notes and MCQs of further important topics in our next video. Thank you so much.